Prodigy is changing a lot throughout the past few months, and especially in this last week, Prodigy has changed a ton of things, and a lot is different now about making teams, a lot is different about wands, and a lot is different especially about mounts and gear. Now, a lot of these small things are the things that are most important. Like, for example, mounts, you might not think are that important. They actually really are. Now, even when it comes down to buddies, those are actually important. And so today's video is actually going to be about how to make a good team in 2025. Now, Prodigy, as you know, is very different from just a week ago. But I'm going to be telling you the things that I know about making a good team as if right now. So let's get into it. Now, for your wizard, as I said in one of my last videos about tips to win, for a solid team, you're actually nowadays going to want the flower bush mount, which is now changed to the elegant flower bush mount. I will explain something about pets later. Speed does not matter that much anymore, but in friend battles, if you're battling your friends, you must remember to re-equip your speed and your buddy. Now, for the buddy itself, power I recommend, but honestly, because now is less dependent on your wizard, I would actually recommend a health mount more. Although I don't have a very good one. Like, if you have a better health buddy than me, you use it, but I don't have a good one, so I'd rather stick to this. Yeah. Gear has changed a lot too. The Mira's hood and stuff is no longer the greatest gear. Now it actually comes down to the Titan gear, which is overpriced, but it actually is the best right now. Although it is better, I don't want to look like every dude out there, so I might just stick to that. Or maybe I'll get a new look, but it will come down to later on. I don't really want to change my look as if right now. I do like how I look, but I will think about it. Now, when it comes to pet combos these days, you want a few things. In the past, I would recommend Shiver Tusk or things with physical AoEs any day. They're good, their aim is not too bad, and the power is great. Now, that's not such the case. The power is not anything special, the aim is just terrible now. And for some reason, we're getting additional recharges, maybe not for Tremor, but things like Terragon's Whirlwind, we're just getting additional recharges and the nerf of the spell. It's nothing unique anymore. Physical AoEs are no longer worth it. Who is going to use Whirlwind in these days anymore? So, while picking a pet, you want to choose something with astral AoEs, or just in general, not Shadow. I don't know about water, but something that you can count on. If it's water, use the new water spell that hits 5 times. It's a higher chance of hitting, but I want to be reliable. I need something to be reliable on my team, so that's why I would choose a pet like Tribeak to get those astral AoEs. When it comes down to water, I don't think water is that great. Healing's still not really worth it. Recharge is just too much. I don't feel like it's worth it. Fathom is complete garbage now. I don't know what they did to him. I would not use Fathom these days. He's kind of Uber, if I were to be honest. But the most vague but the most important thing when choosing pets is the merge. To be honest, I'd rather you use a complete garbage pet like Sarah Zeg at a high merge level than even something like Barbarian since these guys don't have merge. Now I'm not hating on Barbarian. He's still a solid pet, but I just feel like with that 980 health, it's not even comparable to absolute pets that 1000 health like Regalaxy, bro. Regalaxy has more health than him. It's all about the merge levels these days. Nothing is about the pets themselves that much anymore. What am I saying? The merge level gives so much to every pet that making a solid combo it matters, but not that much anymore. If you do want to see more about pet combos, I might make a video this week about it, but in the general idea, old pet combos work. It's just that avoid water. Please just avoid water. Unless you have a really high level, but even this is complete garbage. Just avoid water, please. Now, you know the basics of building a good team. You want to avoid those physical AoEs, stick to something you can rely on, and even if it's not an AoE, just something with a solid power and a high merge level. With your wizard, just stick with the defense and the heart. Defense is becoming better and better. Actually keeping your wizard alive is very important these days. Although pets will deal a lot of the damage, the wizard is the heart of your team. You cannot let it die like that. I mean, you could, but it just, I don't know, it just doesn't feel right anymore. You want to be able, the all-out attack is still the strongest attack in the game. You want to keep it alive more than you actually want it to deal damage. You don't need it to deal damage. That's why you have the merged pets. Now, just to prove that these tips work about merging and everything, I don't even need Ember shit. I'll just solo with for Galaxy. You know what? I am very confident in this. I don't even have a doubt. I don't have a single doubt about losing. I know that with my defense and the Regalaxy's merged health and great spells, I am not losing this battle, even if to a bot like this guy. Alright, so okay, bro, what are these pets for? Like, well, okay, this is not a bot actually. But what are these pets first of all? As I said, I don't have a doubt in losing, although I'm technically not following the tips to make a good team because I'm not using 2 pets. That's just how confident I am in my Galaxy. Like I said in previous videos, Galaxy still dominates in the duel stadium. The reliability, Tail Whip is not nerfed anymore. Tail Whip is actually fine now. And everything about Galaxy is just good. Like, there's not... Alright, 402. I don't think he'll be able to take on my Galaxy, but honestly, you never know. Bang, bang, and these guys are already pretty low. One more hit, it'll take them out. This Terramite ain't gonna do nothing. As I said before, no using those physical AoEs. They're not worth it. Unless he pulls out like a... Okay, no, he's not. Okay, I was gonna say unless he pulls out an extremely powerful storm spell, he won't be able to take me out, but I think that's on his second turn because I see. Alright, and with that, that battle is over. I mean, I am confident in my Galaxy. Like I said, merge is everything nowadays. It doesn't even matter anymore. You can turn a trash pet. Oh, that's good. You can turn a garbage pet into a very good pet by simply merging it. Like, I could, to be honest, I am pretty confident in soloing with my Serizag. I'm not even joking. I'm confident in this, bro. You want me to try it? You want me to try it? You want me to try it? Fine, I'll try it for you guys. Since you wanted me to try it so much, I'll try it for you. Cause I'll do it, man. I will do it. I'll just speed this clip up. I'm doing it, man. Alright, I don't know, you guys don't trust in me. I know if I don't do this battle here, people are gonna be like, oh, merging isn't everything. Alright, speed up. Oh, brother, I'm gonna be doing Bubble Storm here. 1. I mean, that is just that. That is just that. Okay. Okay. Brother. Alright. So, as I said, I said I can solo with this thing. Just imagine how it'd be like for 2 of them to go together. It would be unstoppable, which it is. So, with that, that is going to be the end of this video. I know you guys don't trust me when it comes to these things, and if I say I can solo with the Serizag, you're not gonna trust me. But I just have to prove it. So with that, that's gonna be the end of this video. Remember to use this video when you're putting together a team. Alright, I'm probably gonna make a pet combo video this week. But yeah, with that, that's the end of this video, and see you in the next one.